stars for their presentations. I think it's been a wonderful tour of energy and how we can deliver it in the classroom, and perhaps bring this elephant out of its room, so to speak, and show it to students in a more concrete fashion. Stefan, Christine, if it's okay with you, we'll wind up now.
I'm fine.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
So that's the end of this session of Energy, the Elephant in the Room, and it's just for me to say that your certificates for looking in and watching this will be sent as an email. Print or save these as a PDF as you need them. Don't forget to look at the recording of the various sessions on the TCube Europe resource portal. They will be available to share with your friends and colleagues as well. We are thinking about 2022 at the same time, and there's still a few people logged in who might be thinking about contributions to this. If people have suggestions as to how we can change what we do, if there are different things that we should do, or maybe you have particular topics which you would really like to know more about as for example, as part of another sharing inspiration session, or thematic webinars, or whatever, please do let us know. Don't forget to follow TCube Europe on Twitter. And with that, I will say thank you to all our attendees, to all our presenters. Goodbye, and enjoy the rest of this year. And perhaps we'll meet again next year, probably virtually, but who knows. Goodbye to everyone.
Goodbye.
Thank you. Goodbye. Bye, everybody. Take care.
Bye.
Goodbye.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.